We use it in one way or another every day. Cars, motorcycles, buses, trains, everything in our daily lives involves wheels. While the wheel may seem like an ordinary object, we have to admit that it has propelled our daily lives to the peak of progress. Indeed, it's often said that the wheel is one of the most important inventions of human civilization. Today, I'll share some surprising facts about the wheel in this video. It's not yet known who first invented the wheel, but there are various theories about its origin. It's believed that the wheel existed between 9,500 BC and 6,500 BC. One theory suggests that a clay-made wheel was crafted by a skilled artisan, although there's no definitive proof. Another source posits that the wheel was invented around 3,100 BC. Wheels made of clay and gold were quite convenient for people at that time. Following the invention of the wheel, people could work in the fields more efficiently and the world became more advanced. Early wheels had a cross in the middle, connecting one wheel to another. Clay-made wheels were long-lasting, but eventually they were replaced by wooden wheels. However, wooden wheels did not last as long. Later on, a special type of wheel was created using a thick piece of wood. It's believed that the people of the Harappan culture used this type of wheel, as evidenced by various findings. This thick wheel was used in the preparation of different kinds of food and remained in widespread use until 1870. It was eventually replaced by a thinner wheel, similar to the one seen on bicycles today. At one point, this type of wheel was also used on larger vehicles. The shape and materials of wheels in modern vehicles have evolved. Nowadays, we see tires, tubeless tires, and even iron wheels in use. Although the wheel has undergone many changes, its circular shape has remained constant. In 1994, the Polish Institute of Technology discovered an ancient pot with an image of a wheel and a car depicted on it. The pot was found to have been made in 3113 BC. While research hasn't confirmed whether this was the first wheel on Earth, it's assumed that wheels have been used since that time or even earlier. It's often said that during this period, human civilization experienced its greatest development. In 2002, the Institute of Technology found an old Slavic wooden wheel, which astonished everyone. It was later determined to be 5,000 years old and believed to have been part of a two-wheeled vehicle, perhaps a rickshaw. In 2016, an ancient wooden wheel was discovered in Britain, measuring 1 meter in length. A horse's bone was found near the wheel, leading to the assumption that the wheel was part of a horse-drawn cart. After the discovery of fire, the invention of the wheel is considered the primary catalyst for Earth's development. In ancient times, people were gradually advancing and the wheel allowed them to conduct trade and travel to new places. Heavy items could be transported from one place to another more easily. Over time, the wheel has become an invaluable tool for humanity, playing a significant role in commerce and daily life. From ancient times to the present, the wheel is an invention whose importance cannot be overstated. Let us know what you think of the video by leaving a comment. If you enjoyed it, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories like this. Thank you.